Hi guys, Angie here from Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a rainbow spider shirt. I've washed my shirt with Dharma Professional Textile Detergent in hot water and I've dried it in the dryer without using any fabric softener of any kind. Then I soaked it in soda ash and wrung it out by hand, so it's still pretty damp. To tie a spider, all you have to do is fold the shirt in half, then spin it like you would a spiral. After I tied it, I put it aside for a couple of days and let it dry out. Now that the shirt is completely dry, it's time to start dyeing it. I'm using Dharma colors today. I'm using fuchsia, deep orange, lemon yellow, electric green, turquoise, and grape. Then I'm going to use raven black. There are several ways that you can dye a spider. Today I'm using the black that I've put in a smaller tipped bottle, and I'm following a couple of the folds on the front and the back of the shirt in a swirl motion. After I put the black on, I'm putting on the rainbow colors on the front and the back of the shirt, going in the order of the rainbow. I'm applying them like I would if this was just a regular spiraled shirt. Now that I'm finished, I'm going to just leave this on a rack and let it process for 24 hours. Okay, it's washed and dried, and this is our final shirt. Can you see the spider? Thank you for watching.